What's up, you guys? So let's fix on Xbox Series S to freeze and shut off. So let's see now. Let's proceed. First, I have on Xbox Series S, so it's first time it's play Halo Infinite. It's and then start to freeze. So maybe there's a bugs or whatsoever. So this is what so happened, and now this is a go to my profile and go to settings, and then if you gonna wanna fresh your memory in your RAM, go to full shutdown. If you didn't see the persistent storage on Blu-ray, you don't have a disc, so we have to full shutdown. Or you don't have persistent storage, and to clear your Blu-ray drive, they don't have it. So anyway, so let's proceed. The sleep mode and start up. Now if you energy savings full shutdown, you have a clear up the memory, the it prevents the freeze or shut off. So you want to complete your shutdown your Xbox console? Yes, you have to clear your RAM or your memory in your storage. So I have shut down, and there it is. It flashes. Now, so you have this is surge protection. So you have turn off the extension wire, switch off, then unplug it, just like that. And you're waiting for 15 seconds. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 seconds. So plug it in right in, turn it on your console in your switch, and press it in your logo. That's can be solve your problem. It's freeze and shut off. It's clear your memory, because again it doesn't clear the memory in the system, so on your RAM. So anyway, that's all. That's it. That's all for now. So that's it. That's the fix gonna work. Now I can play the Halo. It works fine. So there you have it, folks. So thank you for watching YouTube, and you're gonna fix and freeze and gonna shut up random. So that's all today, and good luck. Bye.